Juice, what are you doing? That's not your bed. That's not your bed. Juice, that's not your bed. That's Blackjack's bed.
Oh, did you do it? Ooh, I think we know who did it. That's who tore up the Christmas present. Ooh, look at that kitty tearing up the Christmas present. There's the guilty party right there.
Levy? Why are you on the bed? Levy? Why are you on the bed? You're not allowed on the bed. Off. Off. Levy, off.
What we have here. Are you a naughty boy? Look what you did, Nico. And that is what happens when you have kittens. That's not very good.
So we're gonna go eat breakfast. And this is what we got.
Oh my goodness.
Obviously we can see the culprit.
Oh my.
What did you do? What did you do? Why? Why, Luna? Look at me. Why?
Nala, did you scratch this couch? Was that you? It was you.
So we was wondering who done it. So we looked over on the couch and we found the one. A wrapper stuck on her butt. So, guilty.
Winston? Were you taking a magic carpet ride? Were you? You were. Did you repurpose our kitchen towel and napkins, honey? Yeah, you're guilty, aren't you? You're a guilty cat.
Why did you scratch, Ninja? You bad cat. Don't scratch. Why did you scratch? Why are you a bad cat like this? What? Why are you a bad cat like this?
Bullet. What is this? Is my project ripped up to pieces? Was it you? Was it you? Bully. Come here, Bullet. Bully.
So, how do you feel about killing killing rabbits? What about, is it just like a pastime? Do you just like thrill the hunt? Or, what's up with it?